What are you talking about? Oh, she's copying you. She's copying you, Jackson. Oh, can you give her a hug? Or a kiss? She got your eyes. Yeah. That's her head. Can you give her kiss her head? Can you give her head a kiss? Give her a kiss.
Hug.
Or a hug. You can give her a hug. Give her a hug. Can you give her a hug? No? How about a kiss?
Mama, a hug.
You want to give Mama a hug? Okay.
Hi.
Bye-bye, Mila. Mila May. Hi. Oh. She loves you. I know, she's pulling your hair. That's what happens when you put it so close to her hands.
Eyes.
Oh.
Ears. Ears.
What are you doing?
It's brand new. It's kids only.
Give her a kiss.
Hug.
Give her a hug. Oh, yes. So nice.
Mama.
Okay.